And we have Bob's 40th anniversary Strat. A little bit of a delay in getting these ratio tuners installed because you need a very specific plate for the big square Fender machine heads, separate from the sort of bag that they give you. But the good people at GraphTech sent this out for Bob, so we're going to get these tuners on. We'll give you a little demo. They've really done their homework because they give you a whole bag of these various possible plates from Clouson to Grover to everything under the sun. So for you techs out there, with the Fender plate, they have a very specific plate, is different from all of these other ones you see in the bag there. These are stampings. This is actually cast. You don't drill any holes. It's direct replacement. Brilliant engineering. You just slip that over top like so. It indexes into the existing holes, and you simply bolt it into place. So you don't need me to do this for you. You're going to put me out of work here. So when you're tightening up these cuffs, very gentle, very easy to strip. You don't need much torque. You just tighten it until that washer doesn't jiggle, and you're golden. Brand new strings. How's that for accuracy? You can actually tune up 1 cent at a time, 1/100th of a semitone at a time, mechanically. And lastly, our high E string. So here's the deal with these tuners. The low E string is 39:1 ratio. The A string is 24:1. And you've got a choice of 2 different D strings. Acoustic is 14:1, but in this case the electric string is 35:1. The G string, which is always a pain, is 35:1. The B is 20:1. And the E is 12:1. These guys have obviously done their homework. All of these strings tune silky smooth. You can see on the tuner. And that is the wrap-up. Direct replacement ratio plates. His tuning problems are over forever. Cheers.